open doors by themselves. This one isn't really working. Now it must be because it's low on battery. These two are really low already. Well, not already, because they didn't even get changed. Oh, I thought that was the green one. They're getting stuck on the seesaw. I don't think these ones work either that well. Whoa, this one's getting dead and this one's still fast, I think. I don't know, is this one that goes straight or is this one that goes, oh. Gravity Blue is almost completely dead. It's not going fast at all. Oh, we have some stuck right here. See, that's all they do. Just line up a travel just for that. Weird. Uh-oh. Both of the red and green Christmas ones. This one has, these have orange, this one glow in the dark has orange under it instead of red. Same as the blue glow in the dark one, mutation one. Owie. Ow. Red and green. And black and green. They're both motions. This one's almost completely dead. That's red gravity. Oh. Look at how dead that one is. That one's very fast when it's changed. Like, really fast. That one's almost dead. But it was out of its habitat. It fell out. There's the brown calculus is down there. Oh. Why don't they lean over the edges anymore like they used